Enrico Pollastrini was born on June 15, 1817, Livorno, died January 19, 1876, Florence. He was an Italian history painter and art school director. He began his training as an assistant in the workshop of a local artist named Vincenzo De Bonis. In 1829, aged only 12, he enrolled at the Accademia di Belle Arti di Firenze, where he studied under the guidance of Pietro Benvenuti, Giuseppe Bezzuoli, Giovanni Fattori, and Silvestro Lega. From 1835 to 1841, he created 32 scenes from the Betrothed, a project commissioned by the French entrepreneur, François de Larderel, to decorate his mansion in Livorno. He became director of the Accademia in 1867 and served until 1875. He died the following year, after a long illness. His students there included Egisto Ferroni, Francesco Gioli, Tito Lessi, Luigi Bechi, Odoardo Borrani, Cesare Bartolena, Niccolò Cannicci, Vittorio Matteo Corcos, and Stefano Ussi.